Welcome to my channel. This video part 8. You can check the channel for part 7. Don't forget to subscribe. Pint.
Pint.
He ordered a pint of his favorite beer at the pub.
Pint.
Bag.
Bag.
She carried her books in a stylish tote bag.
Bag.
Line.
Line.
The fishing line was strong enough to reel in a big catch.
Line.
Acceptable.
Acceptable.
The proposal was deemed acceptable by the committee.
Acceptable.
Snow.
Snow.
The ground was covered in a blanket of fresh snow.
Snow.
Internet.
Internet.
The internet has revolutionized how we access information.
Internet.
Calm.
Calm.
Taking deep breaths helps me stay calm in stressful situations.
Calm.
Tap.
Tap.
She turned on the tap to fill the glass with water.
Tap.
Photography.
Photography.
His passion for photography led him to travel the world.
Photography.
Definitely.
Definitely.
I will definitely attend the concert on Saturday.
Definitely.
Miss.
Miss.
I miss spending time with my family during the holidays.
Miss.
Niece.
Niece.
My niece is coming over for a visit next weekend.
Niece.
Devote.
Devote.
He chose to devote his life to scientific research.
Devote.
Stand out.
Stand out.
Her talent and dedication make her stand out in the crowd.
Stand out.
Breast.
Breast.
She nursed her baby at her breast.
Breast.
Hospital.
Hospital.
He was rushed to the hospital after the accident.
Hospital.
Argue.
Argue.
They often argue about politics during family gatherings.
Argue.
Cut up.
Cut up.
She carefully cut up the vegetables for the salad.
Cut up.
Entertaining.
Entertaining.
The movie was highly entertaining and kept the audience engaged.
Entertaining.
Shopping.
Shopping.
She enjoys going shopping for new clothes.
Shopping.
Sufficiently.
Sufficiently.
The evidence was sufficiently strong to support their claim.
Sufficiently.
Greatly.
Greatly.
I greatly appreciate your help with this project.
Greatly.
Mid.
Mid.
The mid-morning sun cast a warm glow over the landscape.
Mid.
Cheek.
Cheek.
She blushed and her cheeks turned a rosy shade.
Cheek.
Granddaughter.
Granddaughter.
My grandmother is overjoyed to spend time with her granddaughter.
Granddaughter.
Publicity.
Publicity.
The new product received a lot of positive publicity.
Publicity.
Customer.
Customer.
The store values each customer's feedback.
Customer.
Reflect.
Reflect.
The calm lake reflected the surrounding mountains.
Reflect.
Skillful.
Skillful.
He's a skillful musician who can play multiple instruments.
Skillful.
Especially.
Especially.
I love spending time outdoors, especially on sunny days.
Especially.
Certain.
Certain.
I'm not certain how much it will cost.
Certain.
Heavy.
Heavy.
The box was too heavy for her to lift on her own.
Heavy.
Teacher.
Teacher.
The teacher explained the math problem step by step.
Teacher.
Exhibit.
Exhibit.
The art museum will showcase an exhibit of modern paintings.
Exhibit.
Positive.
Positive.
Her positive attitude brightened up the room.
Positive.
Command.
Command.
The general issued a command to his troops.
Command.
Disk.
Disk.
The software is stored on a compact disk.
Disk.
Expected.
Expected.
The team's performance exceeded our expected results.
Expected.
Recent.
Recent.
I read a recent article about climate change.
Recent.
Transportation.
Transportation.
Public transportation is a convenient way to get around the city.
Transportation.
Detailed.
Detailed.
The report provided a detailed analysis of the market trends.
Detailed.
Early.
Early.
She woke up early to catch the sunrise.
Early.
Varied.
Varied.
The menu offers a varied selection of dishes.
Varied.
Inner.
Inner.
Meditation helps us connect with our inner thoughts and emotions.
Inner.
Clear.
Clear.
The instructions were clear and easy to follow.
Clear.
Surroundings.
Surroundings.
The peaceful surroundings of the countryside are relaxing.
Surroundings.
Split.
Split.
The family decided to split the bill evenly among themselves.
Split.
Cope.
Cope.
She found healthy ways to cope with stress.
Cope.
Keep out of.
Keep out of.
It's best to keep out of their personal matters.
Keep out of.
Artificially.
Artificially.
Some fruits are artificially ripened using chemicals.
Artificially.
Music.
Music.
The soothing music helped me relax after a long day.
Music.
Put on.
Put on.
She put on her favorite dress for the special occasion.
Put on.
Read over.
Read over.
Before submitting, make sure to read over your essay.
Read over.
Key.
Key.
He inserted the key into the lock and turned it.
Key.
Thread.
Thread.
She carefully threaded the needle to sew the torn fabric.
Thread.
Noise.
Noise.
The noise from the construction site was quite loud.
Noise.
Develop.
Develop.
The team worked together to develop a new software program.
Develop.
Him.
Him.
I saw him at the park yesterday.
Him.
Spin.
Spin.
She spun around in excitement at the news.
Spin.
Latest.
Latest.
Have you heard the latest news about the upcoming event?
Latest.
Chicken.
Chicken.
She prepared a delicious roast chicken for dinner.
Chicken.
Anxiety.
Anxiety.
The anticipation caused a feeling of anxiety in her stomach.
Anxiety.
Aim.
Aim.
Her aim is to become a successful entrepreneur.
Aim.
Threatening.
Threatening.
The dark clouds were threatening rain.
Threatening.
Tear.
Tear.
A tear rolled down her cheek as she read the heartfelt letter.
Tear.
Event.
Event.
The grand opening event was a huge success.
Event.
Spider.
Spider.
She screamed when she spotted a spider in the corner.
Spider.
Navy.
Navy.
The Navy ships sailed across the open sea.
Navy.
Necessary.
Necessary.
Proper planning is necessary for a successful project.
Necessary.
Complain.
Complain.
He tends to complain about every little inconvenience.
Complain.
Consequence.
Consequence.
The consequence of his actions was a loss of trust.
Consequence.
Thin.
Thin.
The paper was thin and delicate.
Thin.
Pupil.
Pupil.
The pupil dilated in response to the bright light.
Pupil.
Roof.
Roof.
The red tiles on the roof contrasted with the white walls.
Roof.
Downward.
Downward.
The path led downward into the valley.
Downward.
Journalist.
Journalist.
The journalist interviewed the mayor for a news article.
Journalist.
Suggest.
Suggest.
I suggest we meet at the cafe for our discussion.
Suggest.
Phone.
Phone.
She picked up the phone and dialed his number.
Phone.
Occasion.
Occasion.
The special occasion called for a celebration.
Occasion.
Emergency.
Emergency.
The emergency services responded quickly to the accident.
Emergency.
Grant.
Grant.
The organization received a grant to fund their research.
Grant.
Senator.
Senator.
The senator delivered a powerful speech on the Senate floor.
Senator.
Worst.
Worst.
The worst-case scenario was avoided with timely intervention.
Worst.
Representative.
Representative.
She was elected as the representative for her district.
Representative.
Burn.
Burn.
Be careful not to burn the cookies in the oven.
Burn.
Ban.
Ban.
The government implemented a ban on single-use plastics.
Ban.
Busy.
Busy.
I'm sorry, I can't talk right now. I'm quite busy.
Busy.
Stare.
Stare.
He couldn't help but stare at the breathtaking view.
Stare.
Specific.
Specific.
Can you provide more specific details about the incident?
Specific.
Wildly.
Wildly.
The wind blew wildly, scattering leaves everywhere.
Wildly.
Hide.
Hide.
She used to hide her diary under her pillow.
Hide.
Mark.
Mark.
Please mark the correct answer on your test paper.
Mark.
16.
16.
She celebrated her sweet 16 with a big party.
16.
Impose.
Impose.
The new regulations will impose stricter penalties.
Impose.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I'm sorry for the mistake. It won't happen again.
Sorry.
Suit.
Suit.
The formal suit was perfect for the business meeting.
Suit.
Imaginary.
Imaginary.
She had an imaginary friend when she was a child.
Imaginary.
Providing.
Providing.
Providing accurate information is essential for this report.
Providing.
Theater.
Theater.
We're going to see a play at the local theater tonight.
Theater.
Comment.
Comment.
His insightful comment added depth to the conversation.
Comment.
Thank you for watching.